Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back to the channel. Now, there's something that I'm going to go over. It will only affect some of you guys, a small selection of you guys. Okay, so I'm in DaVinci Resolve, and the other day I had a 4K timeline, and now we're about ready to render everything in 4K, right? So I come over, I have all my settings and whatnot ready and raring to go, and then I hit the render button, and guess what? Afterwards, my video, although it rendered in 4K just fine, when I uploaded it to YouTube, guess what? The intro was all glitchy and boxy, glitched out and stuff. As of making this video, I'm using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So, H.264 is what I use for codec. Why? Right? Well, I spent a day and a half, like I didn't even sleep with this issue till I got it fixed. Because I don't like my videos uploading all choppy and stuff and whatnot. This is for another channel, of course. But anyway, yeah. So what I did, I was finally able to fix the issue. And I'm going to tell you guys what it was. It wasn't YouTube's compression like I thought it was. It wasn't the original product, the original intro. No, it was my render settings, okay? So let's go over to 4K, okay? I'll show you guys my specific render settings. Keep in mind, this is for 4K and presumably above, but this is for 4K only for DaVinci Resolve. I'm pointing that out because of an issue that I'll explain after I go over the settings. Okay, so format MP4, codec H.264, yeah, resolution 60 frames. Now see, I played around a lot with this KBS setting. This is basically the bitrate you will have or whatnot. I tried best. It rendered with almost it rendered with almost 200,000 kbs, which is way too big for YouTube. I find 80 to be good for YouTube. High, because encoding profile, technically you can put it on main or auto, but right now I'm doing it manually myself. And then keyframes, it's on automatic by default, but I recommend you do every 1 frame and uncheck frame reordering. Again, this is only for 4K DaVinci Resolve on the H.264 codec. Because during all of my research and stuff, I found that the H.264 codec is on that DaVinci Resolve uses specifically is not the best in the world. I'm not saying the codec is bad altogether. I'm saying that DaVinci Resolve, according to online sources that include their own forums, people say that DaVinci Resolve does not use the best H.264 codec, which is why I have to run through all these, just run through everything. Now, if you're not doing 4K, keyframes automatic is preferred because every 1 actually messed up quite a bit for me. So this is my non-4K setting. But even with that said, if you are going to if you have the paid version, you don't need to worry about it. You'll have access to H.265, which most of these problems will just go away entirely once you switch codecs. So you won't believe how quickly the problem will go away if you just switch codecs. And yeah, that's actually all. I just wanted to make this quick video. If it helped you, let me know in the comment section below. That's actually very important that you guys let me know in the comment section below, because of the simple fact that, simple things I look up online, that I found to help me, if they also help you guys, I'll do more of that type of stuff in the future. So yeah, definitely let me know. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.